How to add Google search bar on iPhone home screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can add Google search bar on iPhone home screen. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. And without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to add a Google search bar on your iPhone home screen, you will actually need to use a widget for it. To use a widget for it, what you'll have to do is just open up your iPhone and on the screen, long press. Then you'll see the edit option on the top left. Tap on that. And there you'll find add widget option. Tap on add widget. Now from here, you can find different options. There you can see Google right here pop up. If you don't find it, you can search for Google on the search widget option there. So tap on Google. After you tap on Google, you'll find different search or different versions of it. Since we are trying to add Google search bar, simply select this one and tap on add widget on the bottom. And now you can adjust the placement as well. Wherever you want to place it, and then tap on the done button on the top right or press anywhere in the screen. Then you can start using the Google search bar by pressing on it. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.